I'm going to show you how to use this application here to track your family and your kids using this application. So stay tuned, make sure you watch the full video. As you can see here, this is the home screen of the application. This is pretty much just an example of how the application would look once you have it activated. So do make sure you allow your location and everything to the application. This is just an example. So to add persons to the location app here, all you have to do is just tap on app. And let's say you want to add your daughter or your child. Just tap on next option here. You can enter the name of your kid and tap on next. And if you want to add a photo, you can add it as well. But you don't have to do that. You can just tap on the X option there and tap on yes, it's about me. And once you have done that, it will tell you to download the application here. And once you have downloaded that application, all you have to do is pretty much enter that code. Once you have entered that code, it will be pretty much added here, and it will automatically redirect the location to that personal location or your child's location. So do make sure you update or allow location on the device or it won't work. So in the chat section, nothing much. You can message your child from this, send message and so forth, or your daughter. So in the menu section here, we have online listening music, game limits and so forth. Nothing much for this feature. Just some simple setup and so forth. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. If I missed anything at all, just comment below. I can help you out. Comment below. So stay tuned for more.